What's up, Jessica Squad? Today we are making orange chicken in the style that you would get it from a fast food Chinese restaurant. So I have 4 big chicken breasts here, and I'm going to cut them up into even little cubes. I'm trying to keep them nice and even so none are too big or too little. And this chicken breast seems to be bigger than the last one, so this one I cut into 4 strips before I slice it. And if there's a little white hard muscle piece in there, you'll want to take that out. This way, all the pieces of your orange chicken will be nice and lean. I have one right here. I'm going to take it out. And now I'm going to put all of this into a bowl. I have 2 more, but to save time, I already have them all chopped up and they're inside of the bowl. And now I need to take 3 eggs, mix it up with some cornstarch, about half a cup to 1 cup of cornstarch for a batter. So after a quick stir, I'm going to dump in all of the chicken and coat it very well. It takes about 3 minutes to mix it up so it's nice and even and every single piece of chicken is coated. This way it will have a nice crisp outside layer. So I have a pan of some oil. I used about half a bottle of oil since we're going to be frying up a lot of chicken here, and you want to drop it in one by one or else they'll all stick together very good. And you want to fry each side so it's nice and crisp. And I also have my oven preheated right now to 450 degrees. This way I can drain out the excess oil and put these on a baking pan and keep them nice and hot. And also it can finish cooking up if there's any raw parts in the middle. It's a really good idea to wear a long sleeve shirt for this because sometimes there is a little oil splatter and it hurts. So this is how it looks. The first batch is done and I put it in a little strainer so excess oil can drip out. Now I'm going to take out all of my chicken from the oven that was waiting for the rest of the chicken to be fried up and work on the sauce. This part of my video got cut out, but you want to bring to a boil a half a cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of cayenne, and bring it to a little rolling boil. And while it's still simmering there, you want to add in a half a cup of mirin. And the next step to thicken up this is you're going to need half a cup of cornstarch and fill up the rest of the cup with water and make sure that it's nice and smooth before you add it in. And this is how your sauce will look. It'll almost look like it's turned into like a gravy. It'll thicken up slowly. I actually tried this out using a different recipe and my sauce came out so horrible because I thought I could just add the cornstarch right into the sauce and it was so wrong. It made it so yucky. And here's a picture of my first time making the sauce and it came out really bad. So now you want to add in a half a cup of honey with the heat turned off. You want to add in your half a cup of honey and you want to add in a whole squeezed in orange and 1/2 cup of some sugar. That is going to sweeten up the sauce and give it that nice sweetness. I've gotten some bottled orange sauces from especially like some brands like Panda Express and a couple other brands, but they don't seem to taste like that nice orange flavor sauce you get on the chicken when you get the fast food Chinese. So this sauce is coming out pretty good. It's not overly vinegary tasting like the ones I got in the packaged sauces, and my kids really liked it. They approved it and they're really picky. And so I'm just dumping my whole chicken in there and giving it a good coating. And I had extra of this and it stores well in the fridge overnight, and then you could just go ahead and put it in your little air fryer or put it in the oven to bake it. And this is how it came out. I hope you like this video, and we have a lot of other amazing recipes on our channel. Please subscribe.